guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going for a drive to Ringwood to J-Car to pick up some Inox, which is a brand, but it's like a battery conditioner to bring this battery back to life. Stay tuned. If you like what you see, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000 so I can give back to you guys. Alrighty guys, just on my way to Ringwood. Just finished a session at CrossFit. That's why I'm not looking the best. I'm wearing my Goku top. Alright. Hopefully we get this battery done. I'm going to do it all off camera, except for I'll show you what the Inox is. And we'll get the fods going again. Hopefully it stays charged up. Yeah, so I haven't been filming much, guys. Have moved and school holidays. It's also school holidays, so I spent most of my time with Marley throughout the holidays, except for today with my sister going to a trampoline place, so I managed to duck off and get this stuff for the battery. Alrighty guys, just picked up this Inox battery conditioner and just a little safeguard as well. Picked up a negative terminal that I can just turn and disconnect the battery from the car. Don't really use the Forester that much, so this will come in handy. This will keep the battery good. Let's head home. Actually guys, might just go for a little drive around. Don't have Marley, so let's go for a cruise. Trying out a new editing program as well, Final Cut, so hopefully we can get some good edits in this little cruise. Actually been to Jolly's this week for the missus. Actually, that was a good story. I feel like I'm forever filling up the cars, just when you got two. All these short trips that I'm doing now from home to work, because it's not the best weather, it's definitely not good for the car. So that's why I like to take them out for a long trip every few days. Get the battery in okay order. Why you go so slow, boy? White van man. Nearly didn't get through the lights. So, final destination with the wood flying off the back there. Alrighty guys, it is raining. Awesome. Check on this battery, been on low charge. 15, better turn that off. It should be coming down. I'll clean it up and put it back together, leave it. Hopefully, so yeah, I'll clean the battery up, put it all back together, and when it stops raining, I'll chuck back in the Forester is battery terminal, and let's see how we go. Got hail. Ooh, it's cold. Well, I didn't know. Just disconnected it. And let's see if it comes back up in voltage. I think I'm looking at a new battery. Thanks for watching, guys. If you can, go browse the channel and check out some of my other videos. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, and I'll see you next episode. Bye.